This is us having a burping competition, so...
No, I can't. I'm going to be sick.
Oh, that was a little one. Kayla, your turn. That was Kayla. And then, yeah, she can't burp that long. It's really annoying. Like, we just like feel sick because we've been drinking so much of this.
And too much lollies.
Because we're having a sleepover.
And popcorn.
And popcorn.
Eat pizza after. How are we going to put that in?
We need pizza. Oh, yeah. We've had macaroni and cheese for dinner.
And pizza for supper.
And we're having pizza after that.
What's supper?
Supper. Supper and dinner. And then we've got popcorn.
Supper!
Got lollies.
Sup! You
And we're not
suck.
going to bed
You suck.
till
You
3
suck.
o'clock in the morning.
You suck.
And Kayla said when she coughs, I get to slap her in the face. Yes. Come on. Ow. She just slapped me in the face, eh? Try and burp again. There we go. There she goes. I'm Kayla's